Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A53s. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's enter settings. And now let's enter fingerprint, face and password. Enter lock screen password. Continue. And now this is the first type of password you can set, which is 6-digit PIN. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And change to another type of password, which is 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password, and password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Let's skip 4 and 4 to 16-digit password because they are basically the same as the one we already did, but with different length. And let's set password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Let's use it to unlock the phone. And now we can set last type of password, which is pattern. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Now when it's done, we can set fingerprint and face unlock. Let's start with the fingerprint. And our fingerprint sensor is right here on the back of the phone. So you have to just put your fingerprint multiple times until it's scanned. Okay, it's done. So let's use it to unlock the phone. And now let's set face unlock. Scan your face in this area. Okay, my face is already scanned, so let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's all for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.